So here is our vanity. This is the layout in sections. So here is our base. And then here's gonna be the whole cabinet. So we're gonna start off with the base. And I went ahead and laid out the 9, 10, 11, and 12. So as you go through, it'll say, hey, you need 8 pieces of A, which is this. And it'll say T, you need 4 pieces of T. They're all grouped by a letter. So right here, we're gonna need those 4 pieces for this. So that's just how you go through each step. I don't care to use a power drill on these because you don't want to go too far and destroy the wood. Okay, so it sinks it, but I don't want to use a power drill and tear it up. All right, put these in. Asking us to work on 5. If you're liking these types of videos, if you could like, subscribe, share, and tap the bell so you'll get the latest videos. Lock it in place. Okay. I should have put the one on the corner in first so I'd have room to put it in and then put the second one. Second mistake is I forgot to put the dowel rods in here, so I took the boards off the top, took those boards off on the side, and put the dowel rods back in. I believe this is my last mistake on this project, but you can see I gotta attach a board on here, but there's no holes. So they're on the other side of this board, and I need to turn this board around. That way I can attach the bottom board. Okay. Good. Like that. And then we'll put these 4 screws in. It looks like that. So we have an E, the arm, G, the screws, only one of them. E, I held it on one side and just screwed in the screw. We'll put this tray on here. Go ahead and screw those on, just like that. And to raise this up a little bit, this little bolt raises it up. And you need it to raise up so this will clear. With the way I have it now, this is as far as it's gonna go. So I have to put this, I have to move this down to here, and then if I need to slide it out I could slide it out. But I can't slide it in any further until I move this over here. Oh, that's a lot better. Push. Once you get it to where you want it, you tighten this pin down so it doesn't go in and out. Oops. So we'll be putting the hooks on the left side here. So it suggests that you go ahead and mount your faucet before you get everything, your vanity in place, so you have better access to it. Also, you can use some liquid nails or some silicone caulk to mount your vanity to the sink. It's best to mount the vanity to the wall in case you have to make any movements before you mount the vanity to the sink. An installation video will be linked in the description.